Hey guys, and welcome to a new video here on Phloshop. My name is Joseph. In today's video, I'm going to be taking up a challenge. Not really a challenge, well, I was inspired by Jessica Kobeissi in one of her videos to use a car as my photo shoot location. So yeah, if you're new here, kindly subscribe as it helps me a lot. Leave a like at the end of the video if you enjoyed the challenge and if you enjoyed the kind of images that I was able to create. And yeah, I'll be leaving some images at the end, yes, so you can look at and do let me know what you think about it. If you think I should be doing more videos like this, let me know. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.